As the sun peaks over the horizon, the sleepy villages and small towns that lie in the foothills of the Satpura ranges in the Indian state of Maharashtra are slowly coming to life. This land has a story too, like each of its inhabitants. It wasn't always as dry and barren as it is today. Many generations ago, the water in the ground was aplenty, and these forests were lush and untouched. Now, those golden days have become a part of legend, and not even the village elders remember a time when their women didn't have to walk miles to get a pot of water, or when they were able to grow more than a single subsistence crop. Life became a harsh, drought-stricken reality for them. That is, until recently, when the simple ingenuity of a few men changed their lives forever. Less than a decade ago, a small group of innovators and government officials teamed up with a mission to bring the water back to this barren landscape. How? By changing its face again, only this time in a scientific and economically viable way. They experimented with an innovative water-conserving technique, commonly known as CCT.
जिस एरिया की हम बात कर रहे हैं, ये ड्राउट प्रोन एरिया है। यहाँ पे ऐसा होता है कि जो बारिश होती है, वो बहुत जोर से होती है। CCT यानी कि कंटिन्यूअस कंटूर ट्रेंच, जो ट्रेंच है बराबर कंटूर के साथ चलता है, तो वो बारिश पानी का बूंद आ रहा है, वो गिरने के बाद मट्टी लेके वो पानी दौड़ने लगता है और वो नीचे की तरफ जा रहा है, तो उसको रोकना चाहिए। रोकने के बाद वो जो कंटिन्यूअस कंट्रोल ट्रेंच है उसमें जाना चाहिए, और वो ट्रेंच एक वन वे वॉल बन जाती है। इसमें पानी अंदर जा सकता है लेकिन पानी बाहर नहीं आ सकता। उसको एक ही रास्ता है, ज़मीन में नीचे जाना। ज़मीन में नीचे जाता है, परकोलेशन होने के बाद जाहिर है कि बिल्कुल फिल्टर्ड वाटर ऐसे नीचे आपको कुएं में मिलेगा, नीचे के कुएं में मिलेगा या बोरवेल में मिलेगा या तालाब में।
What started as a small experiment in an area of 2 acres soon grew at a rapid rate to cover hectare after hectare of thirsty land. Why? Because of its amazing results.
Every year, every season, per hectare, we are losing 15 to 20 tons of soil. And it's not that easy. Because of that, there has been effect on national grain production. How to tackle this issue? We are thinking of, and in due course of our thinking, we have come to the conclusion that continuous contour trenching, which is commonly known as CCT, is one of the best solutions to overcome all these difficulties. The principle of CCT, which is there, one which is running, make it to walk, one which is walking, make it to stop, and one which has stopped, allow it to percolate in the ground. As a result, the water which was flowing superficially and going away from the area is now arrested in the soil itself, in the area itself. So every drop of rain is arrested and not allowed to flow superficially.
Mr. Takalkar and Mr. Deshpande have much to be proud of. Along with their colleagues and the local villagers, they have not only managed to bring almost magical levels of groundwater back to an area of over 100,000 hectares, but have prevented the regular and hazardous soil erosion that prevents the growing of crops and forests. In a few years, they have transformed every type of landscape, from steep hills to flat plains, into streaming necklaces of green, while also providing local employment to the villagers and sufficient water to the farmers of the area to grow multiple crops throughout the year.
पानी जो है रेनफॉल तो वो कम होता जा रहा है, तो नेचुरली यहाँ पर 700 mm ऐसा रेनफॉल एवरेज रेनफॉल होता है, लेकिन पिछले कुछ सालों से 10 सालों का अगर हिसाब लिया जाए तो 300 mm, 400 mm और 500 mm के ऊपर कभी रेनफॉल यहाँ नहीं हुआ। जहाँ भी हर आदमी ऐसा सोचता है कि मेरे खेत में मेरा जो फील्ड है तो उसमें मैं कुछ इरिगेटेड ऐसा कुछ करूँ कि जिससे मुझे ज़्यादा मुनाफा हो सके, कुछ लोगों को उसका जो टेक्निक था वो समझ में नहीं आ रहा था। तो जैसा नेगेटिव अप्रोच उनमें आ गया था कि ये हो ही नहीं सकता, कि हमने सपने भी नहीं सोचा था कि जहां हमने काम किया था तो उसके नीचे जमीन के अंदर से अपने आप पानी आ जाएगा।
It was indeed a success of divine proportions, but it certainly needed no divine intervention. With the help of simple tools like the revolutionary contour marker developed by the renowned scientist Professor Dhonde, the CCT process could be carried out by literally anybody who received a day's training. But perhaps the most significant aspect of this revolutionary technology is the fact that it breaks all economic barriers. CCT can be replicated throughout India because it costs barely 5% of other development alternatives. At the end of the day, however, the greatest rewards for the pioneers who introduced CCT to this area cannot be measured in tons or hectares. Their greatest rewards are the transformed lives of over 1 million people.
पहले ये सब अधिकारी लोग गांव में आए, उन्होंने बोला कि ऐसा ऐसा काम करने का है, तो इसके लिए हम परेशान हो गए, क्योंकि जब ये काम होगा तो गांव के ढोर कहाँ चरेंगे। हाँ, गांव में हमेशा अधिकारी लोग रहेंगे तो हमारे को जलाने के वास्ते लकड़ी नहीं मिलेंगी, ढोरों को चारा नहीं मिलेगा, इसलिए हमने इसको विरोध करा। फिर जब बड़े साहब आए और उन्होंने हमको समझाया कि भाई इससे पानी का पर्कोलेशन जो है वो बढ़ेगा, तो फिर हम राजी हो गए वो काम के वास्ते। वो काम होने से गांव में 2 बार पानी आने लगा और जो बोर बंद पड़े थे वो चालू हो गए, इसलिए फसल अच्छी आने लगी। लोग बोले कि ये चमत्कार कैसा हुआ, अभी इसका नतीजा अच्छा मिला, तो लोग बोलते कि और काम होने को होना, इससे बड़ा प्लान बनाने को होना।
Perhaps the day will soon come when many more farmers will be relieved from water-starved crops and cattle, when many more women will have access to water right next to their homes, when many more young people will stay to work in their villages instead of migrating to big cities, and when water will become something to be shared, not fought over. Perhaps in the near future, the sun shall set on one such day.